show you how to turn something into MIDI. Don't know if I've shown you that.
Cool.
So I won't have your exact thing, your file, but you can just follow the same procedure. So we're going to pick any audio. It has to be a mono line, as in like one voice only happening at a time.
Okay.
No chords, basically. Logic can't do chords. You need additional programs for that.
Okay.
So we're just gonna double click on it here. Oh yeah, so to turn any audio basically into MIDI, so you can then turn MIDI notes into something else, I guess. We're going to press Command and F, which will bring up the flex pitch menu on each track. Now you have to be aware that if it's very small like this, it's only going to show up like this, and you won't see the menu. So you have to scroll out to at least that point to see the flex pitch menu, just as a little side note. We're then going to pick flex pitch, and that will only work on monophonic lines, as I mentioned. You can now see it's got it happening out there. Then we're going to go and press E, which will bring down the flex pitch menu here. Then we're going to go to edit. Then we're going to go all the way down to the last option, create MIDI track from flex pitch data. Click on that, and it's just going to do that. So it's going to be these exact notes here. We're going to solo that. So you can actually get their exact notes by just doing this procedure, and then doing what I said about the portamento. I mean, it'll probably be touching. Just check that it's touching.
Just have to check that everything's lined up.
Sometimes this process isn't perfect. Let's check.
Yeah.
Looks like it was in this case. Maybe not.
That looks very
ones.
neat.
You know, they weren't perfectly on the bar. I'd want them to be.
But it looks pretty neat. Yeah.